Hey guys, sushicat145 here, and today I'll be doing a video on Animal Jam. Yes, Animal Jam! Okay, so the other day, somebody traded me a promo pet, which is this cute little pet squirrel or bunny or something. I don't even know. And it was the awesomest thing ever. Like, I'm like, OMG, this is literally like the promoest pet. And guys, don't mind, or further ado, this is literally my first video, okay? Okay? Like, literally, are you kidding me? So, say hi. Say hi. I am recording. I am recording. Yes, people, I am recording. Yes, I am recording. Say hi. Nobody's saying hi. That is hilarious. Okay, so many like Tiger Bound. That's a pretty cool name, don't you think? Oh yes, the new kangaroos are back. I'm just going to be changing into my kangaroo. I don't even know where it is right now. There it is. And let's start going to Jamar Township. Yes, we are going to Jamad Township, everybody. Oh no, I pressed Avondale. Why? Why did I press Avondale? Are you kidding me? Kidding me, okay. Like, everybody's... Oh my god. Look how much people have giraffes right now. Look, like, non-members are just the happiest non-members right now. Because look at how much non-members giraffes. Needs workers for cafe. Go through portal. Like, all of these people keep saying go through the portal. Go through the portal. Go through the portal. Through the portal. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, 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 yes. You have to say, oh my god, to all these people. There's billions of articles in this room, and I'm literally the only kangaroo. I am seriously the only kangaroo in this room, guys. I do not know why people love articles so much, and they're just obsessed about these animals right here, and everybody's just kidding me. Like, are you kidding me? Giraffes! Arctic wolves! Wow, pretty amazing, don't you think? Like, and then just like a minute ago, I just got this golden dragon mask right there. And say hi, I am recording. Say hi, I'm recording. And, okay. I'm just unusual. Say hi. I am recording. Okay, hello world. Oh my god. Okay, you're kidding me, right? You're kidding me. You're kidding me, like, so much. Kidding me. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's draw this little thing right here. Like, you're kidding me. And then it's... That looks perfect. Okay. That is so hilarious. Okay, you know what I'm gonna draw? I'm gonna draw, like, up here, a red here, and color it into the sky. Let's draw that top hat right there. Oh yes, that looks snazzy, doesn't it? Okay, and let's draw a bunch of circles off of this. Ooh, diamonds. Perfecto. Totally. Okay, as anyways, let's get back to Animal Jam. Okay, let's start walking on the line. Yes, totally, like, you are totally, like, this horse is not good. Like, never trust these horses, even though they're so cute. Always trust kangaroos, guys. Yes, always trust kangaroos. Now I'm just gonna turn into my regular fox that I always do for my video. Yes, that is amazing, and that is totally cool. Like, that's cool. Yes, that's cool. Say hi! Say hi, everybody. Say home. Yes. Look. Say hi. Recording. Say hi. Recording. Recording. I am recording, people. Are you kidding me? Nobody's saying hi. Oh my god. That definitely looks like definitely working on it. Say hi, I am recording. Okay, just please give me. Guns will be given to big cats. Thank you. I'm not in here. Yeah, that's actually true. Some people always donate like all of those like gems and all the stuff. They recycle their items and then they donate and give gems to those big cats that are in Canio. Oh my god, so glitchy and okay. So oh my gosh, this otter right here, this otter, like look at it. It's just look, are you kidding me? Look at this box. A dog. Oh my god. Like you're kidding me, okay? Look, are you just gonna sit there and stare at me? Or that is hilarious. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm the American pig. What? Oh my. Love me. Oh my god. So much Arctic wolves. So much Arctic wolves. Why? So much Arctic wolves. Why? No. Oh my god. And this person's like, I know, right? Like, say hi. Say hi. I'm so overused. I know, right, guys? Yeah, they're just so overused. Like, and they love spiked collars like so much. Like, I don't even wear a spiked collar because I am just like the type of person that is just like yes. I am recording right now. Okay. They're just so overused. The Arctic wolves. Everywhere you go, you just see Arctic wolves. I love Sushi Cat. Okay. Okay. You love me? Okay. Okay. That's just that. I don't even know. Just so funny. Say hi, I am recording. Say hi, I am recording. Like, I'm recording. This person just like, hello. Like, who says hello in this whole world? I do not know why. Hello. Everybody's like, oh my gosh, hello! You're creating a video! You're creating a video. Like, are you kidding me? Yes.
That's the situation. Now it's 3 o'clock, so we have to be ready to go.
I'll record for a few minutes.
So,
A few more minutes.
do you want to swim more before we go?
No, I want to record.
No more swimming? Okay. So,
Like,
now you can actually maybe record for a few minutes and then you can take a shower and I will help you to dry hair.
Yeah, okay, and then I can
you can record until you go.
Okay, so this girl really wants to be my buddy. Okay, I'm her buddy. Like, I accept everybody as my buddies. Yes, I accept everybody. Like, apparently, Amazon used to have this problem where you kept getting logged out when you decorate your den or not.
Now you're recording everything.
Yes, I'm recording everything.
Like the video, not only picture. You're recording the
yes, I'm recording the whole thing. Yes, that's how it works.
And it will
like it totally like
until you stop it. You know?
Until you stop it, yeah. So you can record for like a day or something.
Yeah, no, but if you use all the memory, then
if you use free, you could only. If you use the free version, oh yeah, cool signs, cool, eh? Okay.
No, because now you're recording
already.
You're already recording.
That is so cool. Thanks. I'm recording for 11 minutes and 26 seconds. Thanks. Like, I literally got a promo pet right here. It's just so cute. And I am recording. Yes. Just like that. Okay. I just love, I don't know why, but I just love Lynx plushies. I literally love Lynx plushies. Like that is so cute. Like, and then I got Bettas in the Forgotten Desert. I got Bettas. Hi, my friend. And while you're recording, you could also draw. Look, while you're recording, you can also draw and stuff. Yes, okay. Okay, why do I draw? Oh my gosh, this is one. So if you're making spotting videos, you know how movie mistakes? You could draw on them. You know, like, literally. You can draw. Is she still in my den? Are you kidding me? But I don't even see her in my den. I just go here and then just find who's in my den. No, this girl. No, it's not that. Is it? Itchy girl cat lover. Is it you, Jenner? No. Candy Wolf? No, maybe, I don't know. I don't even know where she is right now. Like, you're kidding me. You're kidding me, I don't know where she is. She is just in the pillow room. Like, what is Mickey doing? Hey, Minky. Hey, Minky. How ya doing? Okay, guys, you need to see this. How ya doing? Yeah, well, I am recording Saws caps, LOL. Oh my gosh. Like, lots of people, like, put caps, like... Oh my god. Okay. So literally, I am just... I'm just... So... just recording... Oh, this is. Oh my god, that is. Oh no. This is, oh, that's a tiger. I don't even know if that's really like. Let's watch some TV. No, just like look. You can see the look on his face. Like he likes me. Like watch this. You're kidding me. Look, his face looks so handsome. And he's wearing top-high sneakers. And look at myself. We look like a really good couple together. No, I don't think I look really good of a good couple to him. He will see my look. What's it called? I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Like, I'm seriously kidding you. I don't even know. Okay, so let's just no, not the veg. Oh, what is it? Oh, what is it? Oh, what's it about? Okay. What is it, you? You. Oh, I forgot. Let me check. Okay, guys. Oh, forgot. I forgot. Let me check. Okay, guys. Just wait for a second. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. We're going to go logging on to YouTube. I don't even know. Oh my. That is hilarious. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, do this. Let's add a picture actually. Whoops. I'm gonna pick a photo. No. Oh, I should do this with a more blah 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 upload photo. Pepper flash. Pepper flash. Let's see what's in this. Computer eraser. Okay, let's see all this. Windows. No. Okay, recordings. Okay, let's get back. I forgot. Okay, let's see this. Let's actually get back to YouTube and then just go on my account. Change my name. Subscribe to a party. Let's subscribe to this Apari guy. Let's just make sure to new channel. Okay, there we go. I subscribe to him. And my channel. Let's go to my channel. Photos and gonna create a channel art. Let's create a channel art. Okay, guys, I'm gonna figure this out. Add or change the channel art. Embed iOS. Android. Need to join your YouTube account. Tap on channel icon. Tap your channel icon. What's your phone? I will be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I am not. Okay, let's do this. Here, open the YouTube account. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of people are going to take shower.
What?
Are you going to take shower?
I need my thing. So we're gonna open the YouTube Android app and sign to the YouTube account. On my computer. How about on a computer signing your YouTube account?
What is now on that?
In the left, I want a picture, but not a picture of me. I want the picture of the animal jam.
So what's the problem?
What do you mean what's the problem? Nothing's a problem. I just want a picture on my YouTube.
No, but why you need this for this?
Because you could press Android for your Android, and you could press computer for your computer. Change your channel art, right? And then there's no photos. Select a photo from your computer or something. Where's the subscribe? So you can add channel art, but I have no pictures from my computer. I have no pictures from my computer. And I'm just gonna you just what? Okay. That was pretty okay. This is pretty weird. What's up with your horse? What was up with your horse? What happened? Guys, something literally just happened. I was roleplaying. Oh. Sorry. I did not see in there. Oh my god. I am recording. Shay ha. Yes. Shay ha. Shay ha. Say hi. 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 I am recording other people too.
No, that's 23 minutes. And also we have to go now.
Okay. Okay, I will go.
So, stop recording, right?
Just wait, just don't talk. I get busy, guys.